Hello, my name is Jennifer, and I will be debating today. First, the policy debate is all Californians should be ordered to stay at home due to COVID. The definitions are as follows. COVID-19, according to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, a mild to severe respiratory illness that is caused by a coronavirus. It is transmitted chiefly by contact with infectious materials or with objects or surfaces contaminated by the causative virus, and is characterized especially by fever, cough, and shortness of breath, and may progress to pneumonia and respiratory failure. Californians, according to freedictionary.com, are all California inhabitants. Stay-at-home order. According to the freedictionary.com, the stay-at-home order occurs when a government, such as a state or federal government, issues an order that is meant to severely limit the amount of interaction that takes place between citizens. My criteria. The net benefits are California lives. According to census.org, California population is 39,512,223 people. Background status quo. Currently, there is no stay-at-home order. Restrictions are based on operational functions. All retailers may operate indoors at no more than 20% capacity. Grocery stores must limit to 50% capacity. Worship and political expression are permitted outdoors. Permitted schools and school districts to reopen for in-person instruction at any time if they are located in the local health jurisdiction that has not been on a county's monitoring list within the past 14 days. My harms. According to the California government COVID website, 20,015 people in California have died due to COVID. Since November 15th, the daily average of new coronavirus cases are 17,000 per day. Economic. According to NPR.org, in January, California was projecting a $5.6 billion surplus, but the pandemic quickly transformed that into a $54 billion deficit. Plan. The mandate. Agent of action is California Congress. The agent of enforcement is local law enforcement. The funding is normal means, and the timeline is immediately. Solvency. If this plan passes, we can help slow down the spread of this virus and save lives, which would address harm one for loss of California lives. If this plan passes, we can get back to business quicker, therefore helping to rebuild this economy, which would address harm number two by trying to recover the economy. Advantage one, saving lives. Uniqueness. The state of California has already lost 20,015 people to the virus. According to COVID-19.ca.gov, the number of hospitalizations due to confirmed and suspected COVID-19 cases in California reached a total of 10,998, an increase of 374 from the prior day total. The number of ICU patients due to confirmed and suspected COVID-19 cases in California reached a total of 2,470, an increase of 77 from the prior day total. Link. Our plan is to enact a stay-at-home order for California residents. Internal link. By enacting a stay-at-home order, we are in fact saving lives and decreasing death and the spread of the virus. My net benefits. According to COVIDUSA.net, there are, as of yesterday, December 6, 2020, there were 28,732 new confirmed cases, 0 recoveries, 58 deaths. The current 7-day rolling average of 21,603 new cases grew 74.8% from 14 days ago, while the average 111 days grew 65.7% in California. At that rate, and the total amount of cases in the state of California is 1,583,310. Also, according to COVIDUSA.net, at the current rate the COVID is spreading, they estimate the total number of cases of COVID in 30 days from now could reach 3,215,596, with the current death rate remaining consistent as it has. They estimated an additional 5,766 deaths in the state of California in the next 30 days. Advantage 2, uniqueness, boosting the economy. Link. Our plan is to enact the stay-at-home order for California residents. Internal link. By enacting the stay-at-home order, we can curb the spread of the virus, therefore returning back to business faster with the help to boost the economy and help recover the state's deficit. Implications by net benefits. According to edd.ca.gov, the number of unemployed Californians rose to almost 2.9 million over just 2 months, surpassing the previous 2.2 million peak during the recession that took more than 2 years to reach. Our state literally only took 2 months during the pandemic to surpass what took us over 2 years to accomplish in the past. The number of unemployed Californians was 2,885,300 in April, and an increase of 1,833,100 over the month, and up by 2,078,800 compared with April of the last year. On May 14th, the governor of California released his revised budget proposal for 2021, projecting a revenue decline of 22.3% and a $54.3 billion shortfall. State and local governments will need an estimated $1 trillion to avoid massive cuts, according to the federal government's own economic projections. 67% of California's state revenues come from personal income taxes, and with unemployment rates at an all-time high, the state revenue is going to fall very short of what is needed. Thank you. As I stated before, my name is Jennifer, and you all have a great day.